Hey, good morning, guys. My name is Robert Barry, and I'm coming to you today because I want to show you guys a simple copy and paste system that I'm using that you guys can use to make some extra income online. I've been leveraging the system for quite some time now, and I want to show you guys how I'm leveraging the system along with another platform to create catchy capture pages like the one that you see um, on your desktop or your laptop or whatever smart. And right now, guys, what I'm using right now is what you call a branded capture page. And so typically what a branded capture page is a capture page that has you in the background, okay? And then of course my capture page is saying learn a simple copy and paste method of making instant cash daily online. So I'm going to introduce you to the platform that I use to actually go ahead and build unique and catchy capture pages such as this. But guys, more importantly, at this time, I want to tell you about the simple copy and paste method with this platform that I'm using. And the name of this opportunity is called $25 one up. And so by the end of the video, you're going to understand how I use $25 one up as my front end business and this advertising platform, which is the Power Lead system, how I use it to create these capture pages, and I mesh the two businesses together, hence creating multiple streams of income for both companies. And so just before I get into that, I want to take you guys over to my email inbox so you guys can see the amount of opt-ins and the success that I've been having leveraging these two companies. All right, so right now we're looking at my Gmail inbox, and as you guys can see, for my Power Lead system where I'm creating these capture pages, all of these are either opt-ins for my Power Lead system capture page, or it is opt-ins coming in for my $25 one-up business. And the way that you would tell the opt-in is at the very bottom. It will show you where the opt-in came from. So I'm going to take you over to another Gmail account that I have. And what you guys see here is persons that actually went ahead and entered their emails into my capture page. And then they went even further in creating their account. So any emails that come in from $25 one up, you're going to see new account created. So all of these persons persons that would have went in, entered their emails in the capture page, and then they went ahead and followed the instructions and created their account. All right. I want to show you guys at this time some of the success that some of the members are having, those that go ahead and actually do the work, because this is network marketing, right? Not sit at home, not sit on your couch, not just cry. For persons that actually go in and do the work. And so we're going to go ahead and go into the members area. And so this is my personal back office. I've already sent over 400 emails for the day. And the most important thing that you're going to find in your back office is this video right here and these tabs to your left. These tabs are gonna help you to navigate through your back office, okay? And as you complete each steps, it's a yellow, okay? So you can come in on different levels. This is a mandatory fee that is taken out. The hosting fees are $10, and these are the levels. This is 25. This is 100. This is 250, 500, and then list goes on. But like I said, guys, I want to show you guys some of the success. I'm just going to shoot over quick to the leaderboard. And so you can see persons are having really good success at the all time, the last 30 days, and the last 7 days. All right. Another important um, piece of this back office when you're just coming in would be 1 second. All right, let's see what's happening here. Okay, good. And so the most one of the another important part of this is okay, where is it? Well, for you, it would be here. It's going to be meet your sponsor, and so your sponsor would have. Just show you what it looks like. This is the meet your sponsor area. So my sponsor, this is my sponsor. So right below, you would have all of the videos and the different content that will assist you in navigating through your $25 one-up back office. All right, so I want to show you some of the members that are having really great success with their business. All right, guys, you can see real people, real $25 one-up members, testimonials. Okay, so you can see this person made 125 bucks. This person made 25 bucks. This member is all time is over 1,000 bucks. He made 125 for the day. Guys, you can just come down here and scroll through. Some persons are having really, really great success. This member, she made a 500. She had a $500 day. This guy, Richard had $100 day. Here's another member, all time is over 2,700. She had a $125. All right, here's me showing that I got 36 opt-ins and made a few sales. This member had a $500 day. And I can show you guys, as you can see, people are actually just creating catchy, they're pasting and copy the picture with the monies that they are making. This guy, he's showing he made over, yeah, that's $375 a day, um, almost $400 the day before, and as you can see, his all time is stated clearly, right? This guy, he has this member $1,000 a day, and you guys can see it's here. You know, proof is in the pudding. Everyone that joins is having success. The way to make money with this platform is very simple. It's a very simple copy and paste method that we are teaching you guys. So once you go ahead, you create your free account, you go ahead and pay your hosting and your $25. It costs you $35 to make money with this company to come in on the ground floor. All right. So at this time, I just want to show you guys like there are real persons that are having success with this business. All right. And so you just need to map out a daily routine. And I'm going to talk with you guys for a second, some of the daily routines that you can take when you join this business. And if you guys decide to join with me, I have bonuses that I give my team to get them on the fast track start. And so one of the things that you guys can do to have success in the early stages is your business is to come up with a daily routine. Okay. So you may want to like post something motivational on your social medias in the morning. You may want to post an opportunity, maybe in a link in the description box in the evenings. All right. People want to see you active on social media. And even so, for you guys that don't have or may have a low budget, you can come right on over here to Facebook and I show you exactly what I teach. I teach business owners how to leverage attraction marketing through their social medias in order to gain business partners. And guys, I want to scroll down at this moment and I want to show you guys what I mean when I talk about when I mean a simple copy and paste method. Okay, so I'm on my Facebook profile right now, and as you guys can see, this is a simple copy and paste. And so I took a screenshot of my opt-ins. I took a screenshot of an actual opt-in. In this picture, I'm out enjoying the day. I am in the Bahamas. On this picture, I'm in my company boat in the Bahamas. We're taking some guests around. I have a nice glass of mojito that someone made for me. And I did all of this using Pic Collage. And it's a very simple copy and paste. And I simply say, are you able to bring in leads to your business while you are on or are away from your smart device? Simple. I'm asking a couple of questions, and in this very post, I actually left the link to my business. I'm going to click the link, and I'm going to show you. So this is the capture page for my Power Lead system that I went ahead and created. But you guys get the gist as to what I'm talking about. Simple copy and paste, build your downline, motivational posts. You know, I keep my Facebook profile fresh. Here's a book that I'm reading, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. I'm giving you guys value from my Facebook profile. And I try to do this with all of my social medias. Here's another post that I did one morning. I was up getting ready for work. I had someone click on those very same links that I would have left on Facebook. And so you guys can see I'm getting opt-ins. I'm getting persons to get in and create their free accounts from this very same simple copy and paste method. And so if you guys are looking to earn some extra income online, or you are struggling to get leads for your business, I can tell you this is the platform that I use to create all of my capture pages. And the one thing, guys, that I'd like to just leave with you before I leave, if you are struggling in any business to get leads, this platform will definitely be able to help you in order to create capture pages, in order to connect with potential buyers that are out there in the market space. And I show all of this in my trainings, how to leverage these capture pages, etc., on all of the social media sites. Okay, I'll give you just one more look at my Facebook profile. You guys can come over here if you have any questions. Send me a friend request. And go right ahead and join me. And like I said, guys, I'm here to help, and I want to encourage you guys to just stick in whatever business you have. Log down, come up with a daily routine, and I guarantee you, you will be successful. I am here to help you. My name is Robert Barry. Peace out. I'll see you guys in another video very shortly. And I hope that this video would have added some value. So if it did, I would appreciate if you share the video, like the video, even leave a comment. All right, you guys, I'll see you on another video pretty shortly.